Hello everyone, you are welcome back again to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to maintain your Singer heavy duty sewing machine. So first of all, you are going to be turning off your power and light switch. You then pull out the power cord. We are going to be cleaning that part, the bobbin area, and also oiling it. If you got your machine brand new, you should have these tools. But in case you don't have them, you can actually get them to buy or you can improvise. So that's the brush. If you don't have this brush, you can make use of your makeup brush, and that's the screwdriver. That's the single screwdriver. But for the sewing machine oil, I bought it separately. So I believe any sewing machine oil will work fine. First, we are going to be removing the plate cover. That is very easy to take off. You just take it out and you are going to be cleaning inside. Guys, since I bought this sewing machine, I haven't cleaned it, and that's the reason I have not been sewing lately. Normally, I'm supposed to take out the needle, but I didn't do that because I would love to do a separate video on that, how to replace your needle. So I left it. The next thing you go ahead to do is just to get your screwdriver. As you can see, it's very small so that it can actually fit into that place. So just, unscrew the two nuts like that. You can even use your finger to take it out fully. So when that is done, you'll be able to see it clearly, but not very clearly. Because I haven't actually cleaned this machine since I bought it, I decided to take everything out, okay? But if not, you can just do maybe oiling just the way it is. Then you're going to take this down, okay, to be able to take out the presser foot, because you need to take that out so that you'll be able to clean it properly. It's very easy to do. Just release it and it's going to come out. That's it there. Then we are going to go inside now. I was trying to actually direct my camera, but it wasn't really doing justice, but I hope you can see it because I've taken out the nuts, or the screws rather, so that can easily come out. I just got my brush to brush it off. The truth is that if you are wondering how frequently you should clean your sewing machine, it depends on usage, okay? If you are the type that sews all these fleece materials, cotton materials, you will need to clean it often. It's now time to take out the bobbin case, because underneath it is where you have the links of the fabrics you must have sewn. It's kind of tricky to take out, but it is possible. I adjusted the hand wheel to make it easier for me to take out. So that's it. If you look carefully at that area where I took out the bobbin case from, you will see that it is really, really dirty. And that is why I couldn't really sew with the sewing machine, because it was no longer sewing smoothly. Just take a look at it. I would make sure I clean it thoroughly. Just see what I'm taking out of that area. So this can even make your sewing machine to stop functioning well. So you have to keep doing this regularly. Just take a look at it. Normally, I'm not supposed to wait till this time to clean it, but somehow I couldn't do it all this while. So I don't think I will allow it stay this long again before I clean it up. Can you see it's looking cleaner now? So I took my time, honestly, I took my time to clean every corner of that place. When you are done, you would also know. When it's clean, you would also know, and that will be it. So when I was done doing all the cleaning and even the areas around it, I made sure I touched every part. Please mind you, don't blow air into that area. Maybe you're trying to blow air there to blow it out. No, rather it's going to go inside. The dirt, the lint, everything will go inside the sewing machine, and that could be very bad for your sewing machine. Rather use your brush to take it out. This sewing machine oil, I like the way it is. It has this slim mouth that I can use to, you know, direct the oil out. So that was what I use in putting the oil. First of all, I put the oil just right in the middle of that place where I took out the bobbin case. Then I also just put the oil at some points there, maybe where the knots are. And that's it. See, if you keep maintaining your sewing machine like this, you won't have any issue at all. So it was time to fix back the bobbin case. Kind of tricky also, but it's possible. I was just trying to adjust it and adjust it. Though when you fixed it, it will wiggle a little. It's not just going to be very firm, which is totally fine. And as you can see, I was just trying it here. It's moving, it's rotating well. So when I was satisfied with the look, then I decided to couple everything back. As you can see, it's wiggling just a little. It's now time to couple everything again. It is super easy. Because it's my first time cleaning this sewing machine, it will be a little difficult to unscrew the knots. But if it's something you are doing regularly, it's not going to be difficult. So I just went ahead to screw everything again, just replace everything. I think the most tricky part of this cleaning is that part where you have to take out the bobbin case and replace it. Other than that, it is straight to the point. And if you keep doing this, honestly, you will not even know any repairer because there will be no need for it. There will be no need for it. And this just takes about maybe 5 to 8 minutes at most. I inserted everything again. So like I said at the beginning of this video, I was actually supposed to take out the needle, but I would do a separate video on that because some persons don't know how to position the needle. They don't know how to take out the needle. So it's worth it to make a separate video on that. After cleaning and oiling your sewing machine, it is important you test it to know if it is functioning properly. As you can see, the sound is great. Everything about it is perfect. The stitches are normal. The sewing machine is not jerking. Then you are good to go. So I hope this video was helpful and I hope you learned something new today. If you did, kindly give this video a thumbs up, and if you are just joining this channel for the first time, please do not make it your last time. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, and like this video. See you all in my next one. Bye.